Hello everyone, this is Nilesh Padana from BTech CSE department from Suresh Gyanvyar University. I am here to present my final year project titled Real Estate Rental System, which I have developed along with my partner Akash Gautam. This is the website where a user can land upon and explore the properties according to their choice. Here they will get details about each property such as price, size, owner, accommodations provided, etc. Once they are satisfied with the property, they can either buy it or rent it. And if you are a owner of a property, then you can also even sell the properties. I'll be giving a small demo and workaround of my website and explain you all the workings. Okay, so let's get started with the project. So once you are once you end up on the landing page, this is the page you will see. We have 4 sections in the right top corner: home, about, properties, and contact. Then you can scroll down and see the featured properties and recent properties which are there. You can even see the photos of that by clicking on the photo. Once you go down, also there will be more properties, and there are also we have testimonials provided from our customers. So, and this is the footer section where we have all the things. Now this is the property section. Here you can check out the properties which are listed for rental purpose or selling. This is the admin console. Here I will be adding up a property. For example, this is name it be my property, then owner will be me, Nilesh something, then property type, then size, and it is available for sale or not. I'll be filling up these values, so wait for it. Here we have section for link for video and the property. So if you want to target a particular location, then you can put up the link and make a video of your property and put up that also. So the customer will be it will be easy for a customer to explore the property more. Then we have specifications about the property, like how much accommodations are there. Once it is added, we will go back and we'll refresh the page. Then there is our property which you can see, and it is the properties photo which you can add from the admin console. Also we have a section which is about section. Here you can, and also contact us. Here you can submit your reviews, and if you want to contact the admin, then you can do it. I'll be thank you guys.